Playthrough of Armour Battles Mission 1. Turn 1. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 3 command dice. The Germans also roll 3 command dice. Command failure occurs when a player rolls more 1s than 6s. The Germans rolled a 1. They avoided command failure because they also rolled a 6. The 1 is discarded, leaving the Germans with 2 command dice. A roll of 6 is counted as a wild dice. Wild dice can be used to add to rolls and create larger order chains. They can also be used to remove a suppression from an activated unit. A wild dice may also be stored as a staff order. The player with the highest command dice gets the first command pulse. Both sides have a 6 and a 5. The US has the next highest dice, a 2. The US go first. The US have 3 command dice and 3 staff orders. The US uses a command dice and a wild dice to order a double move down their right flank. The Germans have 2 command dice and 2 staff orders. The Germans use a command dice to order the Panzer force to advance. Opportunity fire can be used any time a unit can see an enemy moving or firing. The M4s fire at the Panzer IVs. The M475 has 7 anti-tank dice. The Panzer IV platoon has 7 reaction dice. The US rolls 7 dice with a 5+ target number. Suppressive fire occurs each time a firing unit rolls a 6. Suppression is avoided if the target rolls an equal or greater number of 6s. The Germans roll 7 dice with a 4+ target number. They roll 4 successes, including a 6, not unaffected by the enemy fire. The next M475 misses. The M476 then fires. The US roll 8 dice with a 5+ target number. The US rolls 2 suppression hits. The Germans roll 7 dice with a 4+ target number. They roll 1 match suppression and 2 other successes. The US rolled the most 6s. The Panzer IV is suppressed. A regroup order removes a unit suppression. This costs a command dice or a staff order. If a unit's been activated this turn, a wild dice or staff order is required. The Germans use their wild dice to remove the suppression from their activated unit. The Panzer IVs now fire. The Germans roll 8 dice with a 5+ target number. In response, the US rolls 7 dice with a 4+ target number. The M475 is suppressed. The second shot from the Panzer IVs has no effect. The third shot targets the M476 platoon. The M476 is suppressed. The US have 1 command dice and 3 staff orders. The US used a command dice and a staff order to regroup 2 M4 platoons. There are no more command pulses this turn as both sides have used all of their command dice. Neither side has lost any morale points. Coming up next, turn 2. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.